Alright guys, here is my part whole map. Remember, my whole goes up here and my two parts are down here. My parts make up my whole. Alright, I need some help. Angel is messing around with some crayons in the box. Okay, so there are 2 crayons in the box. Angel put 3 more crayons in the box. How many crayons are in the box? Okay, so we know the 2 parts. We have 2 and 3 as the parts. What is the whole? What can I do? That's right. I can count up my 2 parts because my parts equal my whole. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 crayons in the box. Okay, 5 crayons. All right, one more. For this one, also there are 5 crayons in the box. Okay. Angel took 3 crayons out of the box. So he took 3 crayons out of the box. How many are left in the box? That's right, there are 2. But who remembers how many were in the box to begin with? That's right, there were 5 in the box to begin with. Okay. Angel took 3, so this part is what we were looking for. And we figured out that if Angel took out 3, there were still 2 crayons left in the box. Okay.